Greens one all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I am at a place I had recommended by a viewer who also lives here in Washington, and I know I will mispronounce his channel name, so I'll just put it here on the screen, and I will link it below, so you can go check them out. Burger Express. I've actually never eaten here before. I didn't even know it was existed. I didn't know it existed until it told me. So I got bacon cheeseburger, and instead of getting fries, I opted for chips, but they threw in Lay's. I thought they'd at least be made in-house, but well, fortunately I like Lay's potato chips, so no. Here's the burger. So it's got bacon, lettuce. I actually got lettuce this time. Thought I'd mix it up. Tomato. They've got this special house sauce on there. I told them no onion, of course. Give them a bite. Well, it's not bad. This is a good burger. I don't think there are any pickles in here. All right. So I got the burger meat, the bacon, tomato, lettuce, which is pretty green. It looks pretty fresh. The sauce is pretty good too. I didn't get a side of sauce, but it's probably because I got potato chips. I just thought I'd mix it up with the chips, but I guess they do their own hand-cut fries. Alrighty, I'll tell you what. Let me just say, I think this is a better burger than Monster Burger. Messier too. A damn good burger, man. Tell you what. Good flavor, juicy. The sauce was good. I don't know how I feel about the potato chips yet, but you know, I've been munching on them since I started, so what a good burger. Well, I'll tell you what, that was a really good burger. Juicy. All the vegetables were fresh. I think it was better than the Monster Burger, to be honest. So maybe not as good as Red Mill. That's still kind of I should go through and do my pick of which ones I like best. But it's hard to say because, you know, some days things will sound better. So don't forget to check out my buddy's channel in the description if you want to take a game. I'll link his video because he ate here last week, and I'll put it in the description so you go check him out. And as always, have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one.